All right, what is good, guys? It is Nita with Nita's Fluid Woodworks, and today we're gonna give it a go. Tumblers, all things tumblers. So we are gonna be working with DIY epoxy. We have some Speedy Petey and their artisan resin. They sent us a bunch of colors and some pigment paste. We've got reusable stir sticks, and I'm nervous. All right, guys, anything that I use will be linked in the description below, as coupon codes, everything. Let's go. You ready? I'm excited. I'm ready. All right, guys.
I'm gonna use
All right, so in this video, I had just had my accident, and if you are new to following me, I ripped out the top of my left hand, 3 tendons, my superficial radial nerve, and my artery. So that's why you see that on there. I was waiting on my surgery. So this was about 3 days after my accident, and I was already doing something. So on this first one, I'm going to be using eye candy pigments. It's going to be like a retro. Have you ever seen the retro bowling alley or skate land or whatever, how they do like those orange and green and, like chartreuse and the blue, like that galaxy skating and bowling. That's what I'm going for on this one. And on the other one, I'm going to be doing alcohol inks. Now, all of the eye candy pigments you can get through their website, and it's going to be linked below. I am an affiliate with them. I love eye candy pigments. They are so just vibrant, and they create the most stunning effects. So this is me spreading the resin out, or at least trying to, on both of these tumblers. And I'm going to fast forward right here. All right, so here, these are my first tumblers ever. So I'm just dropping some pigments on them. This is Saturn by Eye Candy. And Fire Orange, I think this one is. And then we're doing Eye Candy Red Paste. And then the Loch Ness from DIY Epoxy. The resin I'm using is DIY. Of course, that is what I use on my tumblers. And I'm just putting this on here. I was on a live on TikTok, so people were kind of like walking me through, like, do this, Nita, do this, do this, do this, and you will see what I kind of came up with. Looks a little crazy right now, but I really do like the outcome of the cups. All right, so I'm jumping into it. Like I said, I have no idea what's going to work on these cups or not. So I am just dropping my favorite colors of inks onto this cup. And I was kind of panicking at this point because I'm like, OMG, you can't see anything. And they're like, okay, well, you got to put white on there. So we did that a little, or I did that a little bit later. Here I'm hitting it with a torch. Now, mind you, I do big stuff like massive big conference tables and dining tables, coffee tables. So all of this is like brand new to me. This is a whole, I'm not gonna lie, I was totally scared of cups, but now I'm low-key addicted. All right, so I'm dropping the whites, which are bringing out all of the colors. And if you ask me, black base is the way to go. I don't know, like, I like the dark aesthetic. So when I do my resin art, like, and it's flat, I use my heat gun to move things around a little bit. And I wanted to kind of push the limits and see what I'm able to do and what I'm not able to do with the heat gun. So I'm going to make a playlist for my tumbler making, and I'm going to do better videos. This was just a downloaded live. So the quality is not that great, but I promise I got you, and I'm going to teach you guys everything as I learn. So the blue, that DIY Loch Ness, the pigment paste, it was taking over. Here you see me finger swiping through the white and the colors, and I'm going to go in and add a gold as well. just to make things pop. Like, these are my favorite colors. So I didn't like the way the blue was taking over. So I just went in and I added more resin. All right, so this is where I'm adding the gold. And if you don't be careful, gold and white will take over your pieces. It will do that. So I did not add a lot of gold. I did mix the gold in with resin before I put it on the cup. So that's just an FYI. Here I'm just pushing things around, creating cells and stuff like that. And now I'm finger swiping on the retro cup. Oh, they're so pretty. All right, and now I'm hitting it with the torch. And I am loving the things that I am seeing going on here. All right, so these are what I had at the end of when I was working with them. And I will show you what I have now. So this is my retro cup. I want to put some kind of, and yes, my hand is healed now. So I want to put some kind of decal on here. Maybe a retro decal or something. And let me show you my other one. And this is by far my absolute fave. She is so gorgeous. Look at the way the gold just floats. Alright, so remember, all of the products that I use are going to be linked down below. And if I have a coupon code to give you, it's going to be there as well. I hope that you guys got something out of this video. There's going to be a lot more videos to come when it comes to tumblers. And I know it was a long time coming for this one. I apologize. But hit that like button, subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.